Hi everyone, today I have an unboxing for you. It is Chantal from Paula Young, and she is in the color SF1228 Honey, and she is a shorter layered style. This is Chantal in the catalog. I am wearing Heidi. She is the lace front that I trimmed a little bang in, and I do like her better now that I have a little bang. I just wasn't quite feeling that lace front. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Oh, she's so little. She's just a little tiny one. So you have just your basic cap construction. As you can see, got a real small ear tab there, but it is there, right there. And just your basic cap, no extended nape. But I love the Velcro adjusters that Paula Young has. And this is the same color that I'm wearing in Honey. So she's cute. I think she's a Whisper Light. Oh, and I paid $54.99 for her, but I see she's in the catalog for $49.99. Let's give her a shake and put her on. I'll have her on when I come back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow, this looks so different in the catalog. So, I just want to show you guys. She actually looks like Phoebe. Right now, she looks like Phoebe. They don't look like this when you get them. Do not. So, what do? We have to totally mess them up. So she's got quite a few layers, and they don't really out to my chin, and then a couple little wispies on the bottom. Oh my God, it's like Happy Days leather Tuscadero. Alright, so let's do a spin. And that is cute on the side. And you can see the color. So the thing, I like Honey because it's like the blonder on top, and then it gets to like that kind of light to medium brown on the bottom. She is very light. Very light. Very cute. I do like the cut. Who's walking out of the house like this? You walking out of the house like this? Don't walk out of the house like this. All right, let's give her a good spritz with water and mess her up. Monkey around with that style. Comb out the part. Decide which side you want the part on. Adjust your ear tabs if needed. Now let's give her a good dousing with dry shampoo. And I'm using BETH'S Beautiful Brunette. Again, work out some of that permatease, comb out the part. And that is L'Oreal Light Brown Root Spray. Spray that all over, not just in the part. So for permatease, there's a little bit of permatease. Actually, I would say from here to here. From here to here. But it's not like hideous. I think you pretty much would have to have it for this style to get some body out of it. Because you guys know me in my 80s. Who had hair like this, maybe? Pat Benatar, maybe. Go-Go's, we got the beat. Everybody get off your feet. Maybe. Alright. I'm kind of thinking she's cute. She's cute. I actually like her. I will wear her. I don't know if I want the whole going under thing. I kind of feel like I might want it to flip up, but maybe you could kind of do that. Oh yeah, see, that's cute. But then behind the ears, then does it look like a mullet? Hopefully. What is it? Business in the front, party in the back? No, she's a cute style, actually. I really do like her. And you guys know, I love the honey. I love the blonde, sort of the highlights that you get. I mean, I did a pretty good rooting here. But, and there's no need to trim her bangs. I mean, that's pretty much like, I wish that some of my longer ones had a bang like that. I actually really like that bang. Oh, hello. Yeah, and then I think you could do like a headband or something. Pretty simply, actually. And that would be cute. Get your little animal print going. Yeah, I think she could be cute. You probably could also do just a little partial. She's long enough to do that kind of stuff. And obviously I'm going to do it a little messy right now, but I think the longer she's out of the box, I'm going to hang her upside down over here on the hook. I think the cuter she'll be, honestly, when some of that box hair goes away after she's hung upside down. And you know, when you get some product in them too, you can work with the fibers. Yeah, she actually, I think would be a really easy style to wear. And the longer that I have her on and play with her, I kind of want to go back to short. I'll just wear her and everybody will be like, oh my god, you cut your hair. It's so cute. You know, it's a little Jane Fonda, huh? Do I kind of look a little bit like Grace and Frankie here? That's cute. Didn't she get the younger guy too in that? So what do you guys think? Chantal, cute, fun style. So you guys, thanks so much for staying with me. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and try on of Chantal. I was just as excited and surprised as you, and that's what I like. So if you're enjoying, of course, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, you guys, on other wigs that you might like me to review. And I have another new Paula Young one too. And what one did I get? Rosie. So stay tuned, Rosie's coming up. Alright, you guys, have a great evening. I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review of Chantal. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and a thumbs up if you liked it. Have a great day.